The Emeril Pasta Beyond can be used in many ways. Now let's review how to assemble it as a pasta maker.
The unit should arrive pre-assembled for the pasta making configuration. But in case yours is not assembled, let's review how to assemble the pasta maker to make pasta.
You will need the basic unit housing and the following parts that are either clear or gray and marked with the letter P. The mixing chamber lid, the kneading paddle, the auger sleeve, the auger, the extrusion collection ring, and the screw cap. Packed separately, you will also find 8 gray pasta discs, also marked with a number and the letter P, for the various types of pasta you can make, including
1. Penne, 2. Spaghetti, 3. Linguine, 4. Tagliatelle, 5. Udon noodles, 6. Angel hair, 7. Fettuccine, and 8.
lasagna and ravioli. There is also a pasta spatula, which is used to cut the pasta to length by hand. The metal ends on either side are for cleaning clogged dough on the pasta disc holes. You will also find a dry measuring cup for dry ingredients and a liquid measuring cup for wet ingredients. Now, let's assemble the pasta maker configuration. First, take the kneading paddle and place it at a downward angle over the mixing chamber. Insert the metal end of the kneading paddle into the smaller hole with the silicone liner in the center of the mixing chamber. Now, place the mixing chamber on the basic unit housing and slide into place. Make sure you line up the grooves on either side of the mixing chamber with the tabs and guides on the basic unit housing. Then, angle the kneading paddle so that the metal end slips into the receptacle in the basic unit housing. Place the auger into the auger sleeve. Slide the assembled auger and auger sleeve through the mouth of the mixing chamber so that the auger shaft fits into the opening in the kneading paddle. Now, pick one of the 8 pasta discs for whatever pasta you would like to make. For this demonstration, we will choose disc number P2, spaghetti. Place the pasta disc in place on the front of the auger. Put the extrusion collector ring in place on the front of the unit. There is a plastic tab that slips into the open slot on the front of the mixing chamber. It should slide right in.
Finally, place the screw cap on the front of the unit and hand tighten until all parts are secure.
Now, place the mixing chamber lid on the mixing chamber. Hook the 2 tabs on the rear of the mixing chamber lid into the 2 slots on the basic unit housing and close it down like a door. With a little pressure to the tab in the front of the mixing chamber lid, push down and it will lock into place. When you want to remove the mixing chamber lid, simply squeeze the tab on the mixing chamber lid and the tab directly below it to free the lid from the mixing chamber and then lift up. For now, let's close the mixing chamber lid, and that's how you assemble the pasta making configuration on your Emeril Pasta Beyond.
For more information, tips, tricks, and delicious recipes, please watch our videos at emerilpastabeyondinfo.com.